All right, so we're at the back of the boat, and I just wanted to show you guys because there's bass guys out there that like spend days and pay money to have somebody install a trolling motor on their boat. Watch my project. I've opened the box. I see a trolling motor. Oh, she's heavy. Those of you guys that are following along at home, I'm gonna bring you down here. I don't want you to miss a moment of this very elaborate trolling motor installation video that I'm working on here. I suppose there could be some kind of like background music playing or something to bring the excitement up of this moment. The trolling motor is installed. That's it, that's the end of the video. 2 minutes. Technically, we gotta do some other stuff. It wouldn't be that easy. Like I said, we're gonna hook up a different battery setup just for this thing. And you know, I do have a battery now, but I don't wanna run my main battery dead. I don't wanna have to pull start this motor. Never wanna deal with that. So, basically, power. See a handle. The instructions, I suppose we'll read those at some point. And then this thing, basically, which seems to only possibly go on one way. I guess that's it, basically. So, let's got a little clicky. Now I got this exact one because I did not want that to be too far below the boat. It is actually going to be perfect. I think the clearance is even good on the back side. You may want to drop it down just a little bit in the bracket, just to make sure we're not going to hit the bottom. That looks pretty good to me. And there it is. The trolling motor is installed. Now basically we have a little bit more to do than that. Like I said, we'll have to wire that up, maybe put a fuse in there. Hopefully that's out of the way of my big motor. Seems like it would be. Now the other thing is, make sure you tighten these clamps down tight, because it's a lot of money to go flying off the back of your boat when you bang something good with it. Now this is designed to actually take a hit. Not that I don't want to try it, but it is technically designed for it. Alfie. 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 Get over here. Alright guys, so I just want to make sure you guys get a good look at this here. But yeah, so there's our Minota trolling motor from Johnson Outdoors. We got that baby mounted. It's pretty easy. It seems to have a particular spot it likes to be at before it wants to tilt. Like right there. And then it'll tilt. Maybe it's to keep the handle in a safe location. Now, the only other thing I want to check here is this. I don't like this at all.
That don't look good.
Well, it looks like a fucking imminent doom. So, I really don't want to have the possibility of this big motor moving into this at all. And right now, we would have imminent doom there. So, we can turn this way. That seems to be a better position for it. I guess now we just gotta test it out on the water and see how she does for positioning.
Patient advocates say the lack of testing and personal protective equipment is partly to blame for the high death toll, and these facilities need better access to both before they can reopen.
Alfie?
Restricted visitors since
Alfie!
to protect residents.
Get out of there!
You got the clicker.
To say goodbye, but some we've spoken with say they do not. Can you please tell us right now, and nursing homes more importantly, what these guidelines are?
From the very beginning, our guidelines have been clear. So, in the case of end of life, nursing homes should allow family members.
Are you making that mandatory so there is no room for error here, no misinterpretation?
And just everything's clear so that nursing homes have that.
Dad? Oh, your car's probably unlocked.
Alright, since we got the camera out here and we're filming, I just want to kind of show you what else I'm working on here.
Oh my
So,
God, the mall opens Friday.
this is the bracket that I bought. This is a Scotty mount. And see how I've got my fish finder down here right now. I don't really care for how it's mounted on the live well there, but the only way that I could actually put that on and have it somewhat functional is to put it there. But I think we're gonna actually move this and probably put it back over here. But I got this rod holder here now, so we gotta decide exactly how I want to mount this. And then we kind of got wiring to move around here. But anyways, I like the idea of this. This is kind of portable or movable. It's got some ball sockets in it. So you can either have it positioned like this, or if you're fishing, you can have it positioned out like this. So that's pretty cool. That is the Scotty fish ball mount. And then I also got a RAM mount to put in here too for my cell phone. So some point today, gotta decide where we're gonna put that. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna probably have to go get some hardware to mount this, some bolts and stuff that I don't have right now. And we've got some more of the back, these brackets for the Bass Pro Shop rod mounts. These things are awesome. So what I want to do is, we're gonna put one there. We're gonna put one in for the passenger. Probably gonna put one more for me on the other side, so I can have one on both sides of the boat. And yeah, just get everything outfitted. We'll look at the bunk stops and see how those have to install. So that's probably going to be one little project as well we're working on today. We'll see if we need any more hardware for that. But I just wanted to show you guys that while we were over here.